Hello, super writers, and welcome to your writing job for today. Your writing job today is going to be to design a disguise for our friend Turkey that is hiding from the farmer so that he does not become Thanksgiving dinner. I have designed my turkey to be a flower. It says, I am not a turkey, I am a flower. What kind of disguise will you design for your turkey? Will your turkey disguise as you? Will your turkey disguise as a ninja? It's your choice. And then we are going to write about it. Write at least 3 sentences telling me why you chose your disguise. How is it going to work? Why will it trick the farmer? And describe your disguise to me. What is it? All right, super writers, have fun. I'll see you next time.